Hello everyone, I'm back. And today, another reaction video, but this time with Jessie J. Yes, Jessie J sang Purple Rain on The Singer 2018 episode 6, and I was able to react to go back to her because there's a lot of requests for Poet Impact. But now, I'll be reacting to her performance Purple Rain on the show. And without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing, yeah. Only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Only wanted to see you bathing in the purple rain. I never wanted to be your lover, no. I only wanted to be some kind of friend, baby, yeah. Baby, I could never steal you from another. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain, yeah. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Only wanted to see you underneath purple rain. Honey, I know times are changing. It's time we reach out for something new. That means you too. You say you wanna lead, but you can't seem to make up your mind. I think I better close, better guide you to the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. 在卡加手嘎，学生命中光辉随你同行过。
Wow. So every time, like, wow, like that, because she's undeniably the best singer in the world. Yes, guys, I am declaring this one. She is the best vocal I've ever seen in the world. She like setting the mood in the stage, like saying that I am the master, I can do this, I can do that, like rank first. She should won this episode because I heard that the other contestant won this episode, but I saw the performance of the winner and I'm so sorry, but I think you're just screaming and the background vocal almost do all the things for you, and Jessie J is legit and she owns the stage. For me, she must be first rank, like that. Anyways, Jessie J already conquered the world and she's giving free concert in China. They're so lucky because I think Jessie J is so expensive because everyone knows her. Right. I love her so much. Anyways, now I am filming this one because I heard that Jessie J had a health problem and was not able to perform on the current week, which is week number 8, I think. And I'm hoping for her fast recovery. And Jessie J, my name is Tami Kikoy and sending my love to you. Anyways, guys, if you have any more Jessie J performances you want me to react, just drop the link below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos, okay?